Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I've been in the pizza business for almost 25 years now. We opened Potomac Pizza and Bagels and Grinds 8 days ago on the exact same day. A lot of stress opening 2 restaurants on the same day.
I want to give away a Jeep today. Can you tell us what the first topic is? Thank you all for coming out.
We're super excited. We're here in College Park, Maryland, at the University of Maryland, a Big Ten school, in the hotel at University of Maryland. It's a 4-diamond, 297-room property with a 43,000 square foot conference center. We remember who we are. We are a pizza sub shop. We believe we have awesome pizza. We think our pizza is very special. We also have a full menu. I mean, we make homemade lasagna, homemade meatballs. We have awesome steak and cheese. Chicken parm's one of my favorite items here. Our calzones are legendary. Our large calzone, we joke, would feed a family of 5 for a week. And we like to make sure things are consistent from year to year to year. So our largest vendor happens to be Sysco Food Service. By us giving them 90% of our purchases, Sysco in return has extended us incredible pricing, incredible loyalty back to us when we need things. If we need to use their corporate chefs to come up with table tents, to come up with new ideas for the menu, to make sure we have the best products on the market. They have been a great partner, and it has paid us dividends, giving them all the business versus wasting our time shopping everybody out every day and trying to save a few pennies here and a few pennies there, or I'm making dollars, focusing my energy on growth, marketing, and success. I'm the world's pickiest eater. If I can't eat it and I can't serve it to my family, I can't serve it to you.